Welcome to another new video. In this video you will get to learn something. Today we got a good opportunity in euro versus US dollar, which can prove to be profitable for us. I have deposited $3,000 in this account, which we will grow with proper risk management. I am taking 0.12 lot.
Anxiety, space, no privacy. Inside, build until you finally see. Whoa, thinking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be alone. Some can't stay sober, looking over on their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough. I don't wanna feel stuck under the rug. All my problems.
Let me explain to you why I placed the buy trade. It's a high probability trade. Here we see that 45 minutes ago 3 back-to-back candles formed. And there is also a bullish pin bar at the bottom. First take the trend and apply it on the lower just made. Here we have taken a trade based on price action. If we see, the market has broken the trend line and came down for the retest. Now the market is going up. Take another trend line and make a trend channel from it. You do all the proper analysis and then take the trade by which your win rate increases to be profitable. The market is going up very fast. From here we have got very good opportunity, from where we can make good profit. The market has made a double bottom here, which is a high probability chance the market will go up from here. Now we will create supply and demand zone from which we will know exactly at which point the reverse has happened. Give time to all the markets and take trades at the right time. Always follow your system and rules after taking a trade. I'll take another trade here because we have got good opportunity. Okay guys, our $110 is running in minus. Never mind, we have taken the trade with proper risk management. Our analysis is perfect. Let's see what reward the market gives us. Wherever you get to see double bottoms, there the chances of going up the market increase. Our stop loss will be below the supply demand area. Always keep stop loss away from support resistance line, so that the wick of the candle does not hit your stop loss.
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really.
My loss is moving up to $158. I will close all my trades as soon as my stop loss is hit.
That's the wrong number!
Our prediction turned out to be absolutely right. This trade has gone beyond our imagination. We have achieved this target in just 2 hours 15 minutes. It's a very beautiful sight. Our profit is running at $1,788. If the market breaks this resistance area, then the market will be very strong. I am closing all my trades. Our target has been achieved. The market has gone up nicely. My analysis was perfect, with which we achieved this goal.
On the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch.
We made a deposit of $3,000, which has been reduced to $4,505. Markets can reverse any time because they have gone up. Above we can see the resistance area from where reverse candle can be seen.
A few moments later.
We had already closed all our trades, which saved the loss, because there was multiple times strong resistance level above. If we had greedy more, we would have gone to loss. Here half of the people would hold their trade that the market would go up. Always trade on risk to reward ratio. Where you have a trade loss, there must be a trade win, so that you will always be in profit. Make your system so strong that your loss is minimum. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the name.